Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you real quickly how to download and install Python. You just go to the python.org website, the link is in the description, and you go to the download section. Now the thing is, there is Python 3.7.1 or something newer, probably by the time you watch this. Python2 is still being used a lot. I mean, if you are going for Python3, just download this and then click it and run it and press install now. You will have to be able to give administrator rights to this app, to this installer. It will install to a weird location by default, unfortunately, as opposed to C/Python or something like that. Very important is that you add this if you actually want Python 3. You can also customize the installation by disabling documentation. Pip is highly recommended. Maybe you don't need the test suite. Maybe you don't need tcl/tk idle. But as I said, Python 2 is still used by many, so look at this, looking for Python 2.7, see below for specific releases. And here we are, Python 7 is down here, so let's click that download button instead. And if we scroll down here, we get something for Mac, we get some options for Windows. Now there are two options here, the 32-bit installer, x86, and the 64-bit installer, x86-64. Depending on your operating system, in settings you can go to System or About to see whether you have a 64 or 32-bit operating system. Based on that, you should download the appropriate installer. In my case, 64-bit. But if you're not sure, the 32-bit installer will work on every Windows OS. So once you run that, you will get this, and then you just have to install it for all users. And I think I actually recommend this location, c/python27. And again, you can deselect test suite. You probably don't need tcl/tk, and so on and so on. And then you have to give it admin rights again. I highly recommend that you do add python.exe to path. Once installation is done, you can test whether it worked by holding down Shift and right-clicking on an Explorer window and then selecting Open Command Window here, or pressing Windows R, or pressing the Windows key and R and then entering CMD, and then in here type Python --version and press Enter. In my case I have Python 2 and 3 installed, so I renamed the Python 2 exe to python2.exe instead of python.exe, so I can use both. Anyways, I hope this helped. Please subscribe to support this channel and I will see you next time. Until then, ciao!